Hello everyone, Weeaboo here, and as you can see, or as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cat. Yes, drawing animals. Now yes, this may be hard. And right now, and for this, I do recommend using an art tool that you can make layers with. And if you're using a mouse, that's completely fine. It just might be a little harder. I'm using a drawing tablet, obviously, as you can see probably on DeviantArt, that I had gotten a drawing tablet recently, and holy crap, I'm in love with this thing. I'm in love, I want to marry it. I'm in love with the art tablet. Okay. Trying not, bleh, horrible parodies, yay. Anyways, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cat. Or, well, how I draw cats. Cats. Don't just ignore my randomness today. I just had a really good day at school, both bad and good. Anyways, you're gonna start off by making a new layer. Now mine, it's a new raster layer. I probably said that wrong. Yay. Wonderful. And then, my laptop is so slow today. Please, laptop, cooperate. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Okay, but what you wanted to do is start out with 3 circles. And you just kind of lightly sketch this one. Let me just move to a lighter pencil. And you want the one that you're going to be using for a chest, the chest a little smaller. And the one that you're using for the rump or the butt or whatever, you're going to make it you're going to kind of have it medium a little bit. Let me keep sketching this bit. Let me move to eraser and fix that. There, we have our base. I know, 3 circles. That's the best base ever. Okay. So I'm just gonna start out by kind of like sculpting a cat, or I should say sketching kind of like a cat. But I keep forgetting to switch pencils. Ignore that. That's my phone. Okay, my friend texted me. Anyways, I'm just gonna. And usually a cat's nose is kind of. But how do I explain it? The cat's. Yeah, I had to get away from the mic. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive Auntie Weeaboo. Anyways. I have to I have to try to find something. Okay. Cats, it's hard to explain. A cat has more of like a kind of boxy, in my opinion, a little kind of boxy little kind of muzzle, as you see. So I'm just gonna go continue and sketch more of the body. Now again, you can do posing. I'm just not really good at that. Like, I'm not the best at like drawing characters and poses. I'm trying to improve, doing my best. But as you see, I'm just kind of drawing the legs now, or sketching the legs. And a cat, their legs is, I'm trying to figure out how to explain this. I'm not so good at explaining things. I just noticed that. But anyways, I like to call cats tiptoe walkers. That's because if you notice, they kind of walk on their tippy toes. And like, I'm just gonna go and see and check to see if I made the leg too small. Now here, I drew the cat too low. So, I'm just gonna... just changing that. Sorry if I'm going silent, I go into focus mode. But I'm just kind of like looking at the legs, seeing if I got them right. Honestly, I cannot draw today, which is wonderful. Anyways, I'm just gonna do what I like to call a Serena pause. That, or I'll just do this. I know, I'm sorry. But usually how you draw a cat paws are kind of like this. You get the idea. You draw them like that. As I cannot draw for jack crap today, I will just be drawing them like that. You get the point. Anyways, so we kind of have the base of the body, and I know what you're gonna say. It looks like a pony. Yeah, I am aware. Probably gonna fix that nose a bit. Great, now it looks more quite wonderful. This is just usually how I start out with a base, and then now I kind of just edit it a little more. And I usually like to make my cats really fluffy. Because, you know, fluff balls. I like fluffy cats. I say fluffy. Now I'm just gonna kind of draw on some of the facial figures. And how I just do the nose is I just kind of do a line and then that little kind of half circle, you can say. Or an oval. Using that, and then I just fix it. And now I'm gonna add the ears. And the ears are just basic. Make a curved line. Make another curved line. And then there, you have an ear. You have an ear! And if you want the ear pointing a different way, this one, it's more of a straight line, kinda, and then you're just gonna point that away. And I'm weird, but I like to give my cats bangs. It's, don't ask. I'm just, yeah, you get it. And now I'm gonna do the eyes. And I will do a tutorial soon on how to draw eyes. Because you need them eyes, unless you're drawing Slender Cat. But right now, you just curve, do a line, curve it under, then add your eye, well, your actual eye, your eyeball. And I just kind of shade that in. And then facial features, well, if they're frowning or smiling, that's up to you. And right now, I just usually like to add the small details. Like, right now I'm kind of drawing in like a picture I made in class or a reference. I'm just going to draw a bow, and how you do that is kind of draw like a circle. Kind of like weird marshmallow shape. Then a weird curve, another line, and then ribbons. They're just, yeah, you get a curved line, straight, curve. And with ribbons, you want to make sure that the curve is kind of facing in the opposite way. And then fluffy tail. Now again, tails come in many different shapes and sizes. Okay, yeah, different shapes and different sizes. So if you have a smooth cat, or a soft, silky, kind of smooth looking cat, your cat's gonna be kind of bleh. I'd like to speak. I almost forgot. My tooths are fur. My tooths are fur. Bleh. I love my grammar. I'm trying to make this video fun. As you can probably tell, I'm horrible at it. And so far, this is just a simple sketch. And I will do another part on how to like color and everything. But here, we're just gonna... And for this, you kinda do the same shape that you did for like the ears or the hair. And then here's a sketch. I'm sorry this is kind of short or kind of long or whatever. And I know I didn't do the best. This is kind of like my first tutorial, but I really hope you guys did like it. Like, comment, subscribe. I do have a rant coming up soon, maybe today, if I get the snapshots in time. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed. Goodbye.